welcome back. I have a brand new video for you here. I know I'm just like recording, let's get these videos going, but I do have my Macy's beauty box for the month of June 2021. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook at the Soto Beauty Subscription. Okay guys, so this is June 2021 Macy's beauty box. It is $15 a month, and yeah, we get some products in here. They're more like sample size products, and you do get a bag in here as well, and that's how it comes. We get a card, and in here you get now this one you usually get $5, but this time around I got a $10 one, so every time you open it up you get a surprising one. Okay, my carpal tunnel is starting to act up right now because I'm opening up boxes and everything, and I do have that kinetic tape on, so I'm just gonna massage my hand a little bit. So if you see me like flapping it more or like trying to massage it, it's just my carpal tunnel is really getting into me. My hands wants to cramp up and everything. But anyhow, you get some sample beauty products that Macy might carry over there, and then you can get a bag in here as well. So I'm excited. Ooh, this looks like a good bag. But I don't know what the bag looks like because I haven't my camera overheated. So I was like, oh no! So I left everything the way it was. But I don't know what the last thing I said. But like I said, I probably I haven't seen any like sneak peeks if we get a bag here or not. Sorry, I feel like a little hair here. But it comes in this little cute, you know, pink wrapping paper that I do save because birthday parties, things like that. Oh no! Everything just fell. Oh boy! Oh boy! Okay. Alright, we'll see what we got here. Ooh, I don't see a bag, so that's probably why everything fell. But that's everything in here. Okay. Let me go pick up what I dropped, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go down from the list here, so it's so much easier. And yeah, all right, so the first thing is in here, and it's by LiveGlam. This is the Advanced Youth Activating Serum, which I have tried this before because my best friend has sent me samples of this and she loves it, so she sent me some of this and I do like it myself. This is a give some props to this pro-aging oh my god, I know how to say the word, but you say it in your head but you just can't say it out. Like, that's how I am. It's filled with an ultra hydrating blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and cremates that visually improve radiance in just 7 days. A week to glowy skin. Sign us up. If you get the full size of this, and I don't know how much is in there, it is $198, guys. Wow. You apply to clean skin both morning and night. It does have like that eyedropper type thing, but that, oh my god, $198. Oh, don't mind giving me into, like, give it to me in a sample here. That is crazy. Okay, the next thing is by Clarence, right? And it's the new, this is new. It's a totally eye lift concentrated for dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles be gone. No, it's not magic. It's a powerful formula of 94% of plant-based powerhouse ingredients that visibly lifts, firm, and brightens in the blink of an eye. If you get a full size of this, it is retailed at $89. You just gently press under the eyes, over the eyelids, and onto lashes too. So it's an all over eye type of eye cream. I love eye creams like that because then, you know, some eye creams you're only allowed to like just dab it under your eyes. I love everything that has to do with the whole eye, and with the lashes this is amazing. So definitely going to try that out and see how I like it, but you do get a little sample of that. The next thing I have here, and I'm just dropping everything. Okay, I'm back. All right, here we go. That thing was out. Here we are. There we go. This is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. Truly the best of both worlds. This clarifying formula not only removes oil or impurities from your hair, but also increase moisture to prevent dryness and breakage, aka your hair would shine better than the sun. If you get a full size of this, it is retailed at $23. You spray into the roots, light dry brush, and spray into the roots, let dry, and brush through. I've had used this before. I think I want to say I got it as a sample from Sephora or something like that. This stuff is amazing. I do like products from Dry Bar. It really does something to your hair. I'm letting you know that. Okay, so the next thing we have here, where is it? Is this. Ooh, do you see this, guys? By Elizabeth Arden. I'm just dropping things. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, my carpal tunnel is something right now. Okay, Elizabeth Arden, a retinol line erasing night serum. Have you met the skincare working the night shift while you're sleeping? These work with your skin to replenish and reinforce its moisture barrier. The plus wrinkle smoothing peptides make them mighty serum. This, if you get a full size of this, is $107. You apply 1 capsule to clean skin before bed. And look at this. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 capsules in there. That's awesome. So they give you a whole week's worth of product in here. So that is amazing, and I can't wait. It is retinol, so you do have to be careful with it. Gotta see if your skin can handle retinol. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. All right, now the next thing we have here is a MAC Prep and Prime Fix. A MAC's cult favorite multitasker is making an appearance. This holy grail of hydrating mist infused with green tea and chamomile can be used to set a look, improve the wear, and make up smooth the entire skin. This retails for $29. You spray onto a finished makeup look for a boost of hydration. I do have these like this in full size as well, but this is what it looks like. Where are my makeup fixers here? I have it in lavender here. This stuff is amazing. I always forget. I have to find something to level that. But anywho, so excited to have this. Definitely can add this into like when I go on my little trip, you know, the little samples and stuff like that, instead of taking a whole big bottle. Okay, now the next thing I have here, this is by Giorgio Armani. This is Armani Beauty, a lip Maestro liquid lipstick in casual pink. Three things you get from an award-winning lipstick: intense color, a perfect matte formula finish, and a formula that doesn't turn your lips into a desert. This smooth, non-drying formula lasts up to 8 hours. It retails for $38. Contours and fills with both application for a bold look. Ooh. Okay. Lip Maestro. Oh my god, look at it. It's so itty bitty. 501. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. It's such an itty bitty lipstick. Very tiny. This is tinier than the Tarte one, because Tarte comes like this tiny too. Oh my god, that is like a color that I would definitely wear. That is nice. Okay. All right, Giorgio Armani. I love Giorgio Armani. Like the perfumes and stuff like that. Okay. And then we got our 2 sets of little samples of perfume, because you're always going to get a perfume or a fragrance in here. So the first one, well, they're both Ralph Lauren's, but here is Ralph Lauren's Romance. Since wearing white is encouraging during summer, white florals are the best fit. Light, delicate hints of rose, jasmine, balanced notes of mandarin and pink pepper for a sweet scent with the perfect depth. Dreamy indeed. This retails for $98. Okay, let's smell this. Let's see what this is all about. And as you know, Bella tends to take my little sample. Ooh. Oh, Romance. This actually smells really good. It smells really clean. I like this. And I gotta sneeze now. I think I sniffed too much of it. Alright guys. The next one is a Ralph Lauren deep blue. They get a little fresh with fragrance designs to feel like diving headfirst into a wave of crisp citrus and island scent. This features citrus fizz, an exclusive ingredient inspired by ocean. Who knew paradise could be in a bottle? This retails for $105 as well. So I know this is a guy's one, right? But I like to smell it. I like to smell it. Oh, smells good. So, yeah. Now I got it all over me. Okay. And then, so that's everything that is listed in the, listed here. And then there was this extra thing here. Instead of getting the bag, they sent us this instead. This is the beauty supplement. And it's a little case. What? Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. How do you do this? So you open it from here and you open it from here. So it's like a little storage compartment. Beauty supplement. Oh, that is so pretty cool. You close it. So yeah, instead of getting like a bag, a makeup bag, they send us this. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'll look this up to see, but it was just in this bag. And I know sometimes, like last time they sent us an eye mask, which Bella keeps taking from here. she loves that eye mask, and it's not sold. It is only exclusive to Macy's Beauty Box members and stuff like that. So that's exciting. All right guys, that's everything that I got a hair product, an eye cream, skincare, you know, setting spray, perfumes, colognes, another skincare product here, yeah, so, and a lippy. I think this was amazing. I think this is like really good because there's a lot of high-end stuff in here that I definitely want to try out and see how I like it and stuff like that, because I don't know if I could spend that much money on some products. The one that shocks me is this one, $198. That is crazy. It doesn't even feel like there's anything in there. But anyhow, I know how much I like this product anyways. Anyhow, just let me know down below what did you think about this month Macy's June 2021 beauty box, and do you get it, and did you get the same products as me? Probably yes, you probably did, yeah. Because they're all the same. I've never seen anybody get anything different. But anyhow, as always, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DSoda Beauty Subscription. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay healthy and stay safe, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye. Mwah.